Okay, here we go. So we are moving on. And I should have just done teaching set 2 together with teaching set 1, but I forgot. So we are on 4.NF.5, teaching set number 2, and it's going to go super fast. So pay attention. There's just 3 little true false things, and it's exactly what you did yesterday. You're looking at these and you're saying true or false. In fact, I probably should have set up my little video camera, but you know what? My little tripod, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to do it this way because it's pretty easy. So here we go. Determine if each question is true or false. Select true or false for each equation. So this first one, remember, whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. So here, it's 10 times 10 is 100. Is 3 times 10 30? Yep. So you're going to mark true. The next one, 8 times 10 is 80. Is 10 times 10 10? Nope. False. 13 times 10 130. 10 times 10 100. Yes, you're just adding that 1 0. So true, false, true. So you can't see that very well. Next one, determine if each equation is true or false. Same thing. So 78 times 10 is 780. 10 times 10 is 100. So it's true. 3 times 10 is 30. 10 times 10 is not 10, so it is false. 7 times 10 is 70. 10 times 10 is 100, so it's true. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100, so it's true. 81 times 10 is 810. 10 times 10 is 100, so it's true. 2 times 10 is 20. 10 times 10 is not 10, so that is false. So now you're going to do student set, it says 1 and 2. So this is what we did yesterday, and then this is what we just did today. And I'm sorry, I totally forgot I was going to do both of those. I had it down in my sets, but I just forgot. Okay, so actually we're going to move on, and I'm going to move on to teaching set 3 because it isn't very hard either. So we'll move on to that. Grab my marker again. So 4.NF.5 teaching set 3. Okay, and you'll have all weekend to do these, so you have lots of time. So teaching set number 3. So here you're going to have to convert one of the fractions to match the others, and then you are just adding the numerators. Okay, when you're adding fractions, you're just messing with the numerators. Denominator stays the same. Okay, addition and subtraction, that is the case. Just working with numerators, denominators stay the same. But we have to get it to the same denominator. They have to be the same denominator to be able to do that. So looking at the first one, you have 12 over 10 plus 5 over 100 equals how many hundredths? So because it's in the answer's in hundredths, we're going to convert this one to hundredths. So if I make this 100, I have to multiply by 10, right? Times 10. So that's 100. And then if I multiply times 10 up here, we're adding that 0. We're just adding a 0. So times 10 would be 120. So this would be I'm just going to do it right here. 120 over 100. Okay, see how easy that is? And then we just add it straight across. 125 over 100. Okay, the next one is 3/10 plus 23 over 100. And again, your answer is 100ths. It's the hundredths. So we need to change this to 100. So we're going to multiply by 10. So times 10 is 100. Times 10 is 30. So really an easy way to do that is just add a 0 to each one of those. Okay, so then 30 plus 23, you can stack it if you need to. 30 plus 23 is 53. Some of you can just add those in your head and that's fine. Next one is 1/10 plus 98 100ths. So 1/10 plus 98 100ths equals 100. What blank 100ths? Always check your denominators. When you're adding, you have to check your denominators. Okay, they have to be the same denominator to be able to add them. So this, to make this 100, we would just multiply by 10, which would put 1 0 on there. So then we add these up, and again, if you need to stack them, you can. 98 plus 10, 8, 10, so 108. And if you notice, these are improper, but we're just going to leave them improper for now. Okay, that means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so the next one, I think I'm going to erase these and move on to the next one. 13/10 plus 13 100ths equals how many 100ths? Okay, so again, we have to, the answer's in 100ths, hundredths, so we have to change this to 100ths times 10 times 10. Okay, so 130 plus 13. Stack it if you need to. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 0, so it's 143 100ths. Next one, 8/10 plus 6 100ths equals how many 100ths? So 10 times 10 is 100, so we have to add that 0 to the end, times 10. This one you can do in your head. 80 plus 6 is 86 100ths. And then the last one, 3/10 plus 9 100ths equals, and that's with a TH at the end, hundredths. I'm going to write that down, hundredths with a TH. That means it's smaller than 0. Smaller than 0. Actually, no, I mean not smaller than 0, but it makes it a fraction. Okay. It's smaller than 1. It's a part. It's a fraction. Okay, hundredths. 9 plus 3 is 12. Oh wait, nope, we can't do that. I didn't convert yet. So times 10 to make this 100 because our answer is in 100ths. Okay, and then adding a 0 here. So times 10 times 10. So 30 plus 9 is 39. Okay, then you have student set number 3 there at the bottom. Student set 3 is at the bottom. Go ahead and do those on your own. Okay, and then we will move on to teaching set 4 next time. And we might even combine that with teaching set 5. So we're done. If you have questions, please message me with your questions, and I can get on Zoom with you. We can Zoom, and nobody showed up this week to my math help Tuesdays, Thursdays at 1 o'clock. Next week's our last week to have math help. So I will see you guys later. Bye.